Racing just is started. We have touch of class. Break quickly at a start. Golden You is running by the rail. Happy Hour comes next. Savor the Champagne. Be My Baby. Rasputin running by the rail is Red Hot Water, who's the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have touch of class by a length and a half. Golden You is right behind in second. 3 lengths further back in third is Happy Hour. Be My Baby running by the rail comes entry number 1, and this one is Red Hot Water. Zabo the Champagne. Then next on line is Rasputin. Back to the leader. We have touch of class maintaining a length lead. Moving up now on the outside is Golden You. 4 lengths further back in third comes Savor the Champagne. Be My Baby comes next. Red Hot Water. Happy Hour. Rasputin moving up now on the outside. And at the far turn we have touch of class by about a head. And on the outside is Golden You. Savor the Champagne. Red Hot Water. Rasputin. Be My Baby comes next, while Happy Hour now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Golden You maintaining a length lead, and in second is Zabo Champagne. Red Hot Water in the middle, touch of class. Last 100 meters we have Golden You, followed now by Red Hot Water on the outside. Golden You, Red Hot Water on the outside. Golden You, Red Hot Water moves up to take the lead in final. Red Hot Water, Golden You, Zabo Champagne, then comes Be My Baby. Rasputin.
May cheering squad. May cheering squad.